mga dahon today. Kahit dito sa gilid, oh. Ay, nako. Extra dami ang mga dahon this time because it's windy. It's been windy for a few days now. It's cooler, you know. In the morning, it's kind of like, for me, it's chilly. Very love the weather like this. You know, sometimes gloomy. So, we have our cat. Neighborhood cat there. Excuse me. Ito niya, nagwawalis ako. Nagwawalis tayo today. At magdidilig. The husband is ready to clean the outside. So, palitin muna natin to. Dahon everywhere. Kahapon lang ako hindi nagwalis. Look at that. We have flowers. We have blooms, I mean. Look at that. How pretty is that? So pretty. I like the color. And then there's more over there. Yeah. So, leaves everywhere. Leaves everywhere, yan. We're going to sweep today. Kahapon lang ako hindi nagwalis. Grabe. Kasi napaka-windy eh. So windy eh. Yan. Magwawalis tayo ngayon at nagdidilig. Tingnan natin si husband. Ay, nakaapak ako na ano. Tingnan natin si husband sa labas. Diyan ka lang, titunya ha. Diyan ka lang ha. Don't come here. The husband is trimming things. Trimming the bougainvillea kasi hindi na mabasa yung meter, the electric meter. Not too much, baby. I love the flowers. Yan, tinanggal ko na yung yellow bell there for now kasi tutubo naman yan. Actually, I think it's been 2 weeks or 3 weeks now that I trimmed them. Look, oh. They start to come back. Look, baby, it come back. The yellow bells. See? So, medyo tinitrim lang natin kasi medyo jungly na. Para na tayong gubat. But this bougainvillea, I love it. Gusto ko talaga ito bougainvillea. Ayun o, may nahalong orange. May nahalong orange. You need help, babe? Just let me know, okay? Magwawalis tayo dyan. get the broom and the dustpan. You be careful, okay? Yeah, the husband is done. His shoulder is in pain. Yeah, you do a lot. Go, look at that. You do a lot. So it's okay now. Yeah. Thanks, sweetheart. Yeah. Okay, tapos na kami maglinis-linis, mag-trim-trim. So, ayan, medyo nabawasan kahit paano. Masakit na kasi ang shoulder ni Mr. Yan, pati yung kapitbahay doon, nilinis ko na rin. Ngayon, magdidilig tayo. Diligan naman natin to kahit paano. You know. Dinibilikan ko din naman yan para medyo maano yung mga alikabok-alikabok. So, pasok na tayo at dito naman tayo magwawalis sa loob kasi tingnan mo, one day lang akong hindi nakapagwalis. Super duper na dami ng dahon. Ang hangin kasi, you know, napakahangin. Kaya, ayan. Ulit-ulit ako ah. Ayan. So, tingnan mo yung peace lily ko. Another one coming. Oh. Yung isa kamamatay lang. Tatlo yan eh. Okay, we are going to sweep here. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga na-dry. Yan, na-dry na yan. So, ginaganyan ko yan. Tada! Yan. Mga dahon-dahon. Ilapag natin. Yan. Tapos ayan. Sobrang dahon. Ito oh, nakidampot ako sa kapitbahay niyan. Ang ganda kasi ng bulaklak. Minsan inaalis ko yung mga ganito para ano, ayan. masyadong maalikabok, oh. Masyadong dry, kaya maalikabok siya. Dinidiligan ko din yung mga dahon. Alright, natapos din tayo. Yes, it's 1:45. I think I started here around 9 o'clock. And nakapagwalis din, nakapagdilig-dilig din. Nagtanim-tanim ng konti. Nag-trim. So, kahit paano, nakapagwalis. Ayan. Let's get the gulay. Green mango here. Yan o. Magbalat nga tayo. Parang gusto kong kumain ng manggang hinog, manggang hilaw. Yan, kain. Para yan. na ang kaimito anak ko, Jenny. I hope I can share this with you guys. Tapos nakabili ako ng Chico, lalaki ng Chico. 150 ang kilo. Ito din, 150 ang kilo. Tapos ito, 180 ang kilo. Yan, 180 ang kilo. Ito naman, hindi ko na matandaan ang kilo niyan. Basta binayaran ko itong isang piling na to is 170. Ang mahal ng prutas. Kaya lang gusto ko kumain ng a little here, a little there. Yung mga yan. Naghahanap ako ng singkamas kasi nakakita na ako ng mga singkamas. But one of these days, okay, balatan natin ang mangga. Okay, hindi masyadong ano. Pwede na yan. Hindi na rin medyo maniba. Manggang kalabaw to eh. Ayan, manggang kalabaw. Gusto ko sana yung medyo madilaw-dilaw pa. Pero pwede na rin siguro pa. Ayan. Tapos, slice natin. Uh-oh. Who's that? Take a look in the... Before you go. Take a look first in the... Ay, nako. Sabi ko, take a look sa CCTV bago lumabas. Ay, lumabas ka tuloy diretso. Ay, nako. Tada! Ito yung ating mangga. Okay, kain na po tayo. Kain na po. Thank you for this food that we receive in the name of Jesus Christ. Let's eat po. Gary is going to eat his fasting day, so he's not gonna eat. And besides, even if it's day for him to eat, he's not gonna eat this.
Yeah, I don't care for that.
So, you know, and natin pinikman ang mangga.
He wants some though.
Oscar, and let's see the mangga. Sarap. Gusto ko lang mga ganito, ano, ang hulog. Tapos, my husband asked, what is this? I said, sigarilyas. I just don't know what is the English of sigarilya.
I don't think we have an English for that. It's not a vegetable I've ever seen before.
It's sweet. And this is the
Kangkong.
tomato tops, potato tops,
Potato tops, okay.
kamote tops. We have there in the...
Oh, out of our garden? Okay.
So, and the alugbati, the other one, if you notice, there. Okay, let's eat po. Oscar, you want okra?
He says, I look at that fish, is what I
You want
want.
okra? This is baby. Hey guys, let's eat mango. I just want some sour. Gusto ko maasim. Kaya tayo mangga, oh. Asim. Pero yun ang gusto ko, diba? Yung maasim. Maasim nga. Pero masarap. So good. Pilig na ako. Maasim. You want maasim, ha? Kain tayo. One more. Asim. Pero ang sarap niya. Okay. Pero ang sarap niya. Malutong. Kaya lang sobrang asim. Parang sobrang asim lang. Kain po.